to show you how to remove the rear bumper from a VF GTS. If you have another model VF, the steps are probably very similar, if not the same. Starting in the wheel arches, there's one plastic push rivet as circled, which I was missing, 3 T15 Torx head screws and 1 Phillips head screw. Once you've removed those, there's 3 more plastic push rivets under the back of the bumper. With those all removed, you can now start gently pulling the bumper off from the wheel arch back. Now repeat the same on the other side. Once you've done that, work towards the tail light, gently pulling out while applying upwards pressure. Now repeat the same on the other side. It should all unclip pretty easily. I didn't have to use much force at all. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful.